Welcome back to Pound Garage. Today we're going to chuck some shiny shit in this and I'll give you a couple of updates on what's going on. Stay tuned. Alright, more goodies have arrived. I was a bit late to the party on pulling the trigger and the R5s weren't in stock, but I got the last PD16, grabbed the keypad, got the wiring harness for the PD16, and while I was there I just went, oh well, the R5 harnesses are in stock, so I'll grab one of those and we'll start wiring up. So yeah, I'm going to make a mount for PD16 and the R5, and that will give us some idea where we're going to mount it in the car, and then we can start playing with the wiring. Now we're jumping ahead a little bit, it's way off from needing wiring, but I really want to do it. Just have that all set out, and then we'll send the engine away, get the new cam, bottom end built, and get the turbos done, manifold, intercooler, fuel system. Then we'll get the gearbox, the diff, and yeah, the roll cage can pretty much wait till last. Sorta. Anyway, wonder if the guys will let me put a cradle on the front of that to run the engine on the dyno. Anyway, let's get back into it. Alright, so we've been playing with PD16 wiring loom, and we have one of these mil spec or race spec or whatever you want to call it Deutsch connectors, HD30 from Raceworks. They're not cheap. My price is around 140, so you're probably looking about 180 to 200 bucks each. So they are a good thing. That will make for quick connections. So that's just for the harness for the back. I've got another one for the front, and well, probably 3 or 4 of these for the front. So I will try and show you how these go together. I'll get the cameras out. I'm just using my phone at the moment, and we'll have a look. Yeah, you can get spacer pins for these, but I'm not too worried. A lot of the water is going to be kept out of this anyway, and this is in the cab. Dust I'm not worried about. Oh, yeah. Alright, wiring updates. So I've pinned all these connectors, all 3. So we've got the ignition, drive-by wire, and fuel injector one. We've got mains power for fans and injectors, and a whole heap of ABIs. Then we got SPIs and ABI, spare other ABIs, and HCAs or HCOs. I think that's got HCOs. That one does. And we just got the in-car stuff to go, all the tails that we're going to fit off with Deutsch connectors, and then that's the main center harness done. And then for the auxiliary ones, they're all sitting here. Deutsch connectors, they'll get a Deutsch connector. That one's got the big mil-spec connectors, so there's actually 4 in there. It's also the rear one for the PD16, and I've got the other one that we've already seen over there. So very time consuming. While my friend Nathan was here working on the RX-7, I sat down and played with this, so we could just talk shit and have a good time, and many beverages. So yeah, but I was up to like 2 AM doing this stuff, and it's turned out really nice. So happy days. Probably next time I'm home, we will chuck this in the car, mock it up. Right, as you know, this thing is Swiss cheese, and I'm making a new firewall for it anyway. But we'll mount them up here. and then we'll go from there. I actually want to put 2, then 1, and yeah. So I'm not 100% sure I'm going to be able to do that. I just might make up a little plate to hold it, cut it out, because I think the cow's there, and that's where I want to mount it. I might mount them down here. I'll make up a little bridge plate for the time being, so we can continue wiring until we do the rest of the fab work, because I want to get it before we get too involved in the fab work. I do want to get this running and driving, just to prove the concept, and then we can build it out. Also want to be able to have it running and driving so I can take it on displays while we're doing the rest of the work. Yeah, so that's what it is. We'll keep working and then we'll get back to it. Alright, that's all I got time for this one. Be good or be good at it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.